Hello everyone, today I want to do like a soft pink cut crease look, so let's get started. So I'm going to do my eyes first before I do the rest of my face. First, I'm just going to lightly conceal the eye area so that my shadows have a base. Just going to quickly blend it out with my beauty sponge. Okay, so first I'm gonna lay down a base color. I'm gonna go with this base and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. Doing the bottom as well. So I'm gonna start with the outer half of my eyes first. So I'm gonna take this two shades right here. I like to mix these two colors. And really lightly, I'm going to blend it. Blend it out. Since I'm going for like a soft look, I'm gonna just apply a soft amount of these two colors. Since I'm going for that pink look, I'm gonna take this pink right here. Again, very lightly. I'm going to put it in the same area that I applied the first color. So I like how it's looking now, so I'm gonna move on to cutting my crease. So I'm gonna grab my concealer and a little flat brush. I'm gonna grab some product. What I'm going to do is just apply it right here and then just, open my eyes. And wherever it touches is where I'm gonna, cut it. Okay, so I'm gonna do one at a time because I don't want this to set. So I did this side. Now I'm gonna take this light pink color and I'm going to place that on where I applied the concealer. When you leave, I will reminisce. You was about a nice... I do want to emphasize this color a little bit. So I'm gonna go with like a brush like this, taking the first two colors that I used. I'm just lightly going to deepen that line. Now you could really see the difference, right? Okay, I'm gonna do this side now. I'm going to apply the concealer here. And just open my eyes. And that is where I'm going to apply my concealer. You said we just FWB, that don't mean shit to me. Now I'm going to take this light pink shade and I'm going to apply that on top of the concealer. Now I'm going to take more precise brush. I'm going to take the same two colors that I used in the beginning. And I'm going to apply that on the edge of where I applied the concealer. It kind of cleans up the line and it also deepens that crease. Apply very, very lightly. If you felt the same way. And if the line is too harsh, go back with the blending brush and blend on top of it. I like a little sparkle, so I'm gonna go with this pink sparkle with my finger. I'm going to lightly apply it kind of in the center or just everywhere. Now I'm going to apply this chunky glitter along the line right here. I'm gonna attempt to. It would be nice if I had like a glitter liner, but I don't have that, so I gotta work with what I have. Tell me who you're gonna call when you say you need FWB, that don't mean shit to me. Tell me why do you stay when you know you can leave? I think something has changed, I'm beginning to see. I'm the one you're gonna call when you say you need. I'm gonna go back with the pink color. I use that to highlight the inner half of my eyes. I didn't meant for this look to look super glittery, but you know, we're going with the flow. I'm gonna line my eyes with a brown shadow and a flat brush.
Every time I try to grow, I don't know it. Yeah. I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes.
I did my mascara and I threw on some lashes. So now I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. For my base, I'm gonna use this BB cream by Hamish. I like to spread it around my face before I go in with a beauty blender. You can also totally apply this with your finger, but I like to use my beauty blender.
I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the
Setting my face with powder. I gotta do bronzer, blush, and highlight.
I'm so far from perfect, but that's perfectly fine. Might not be where I'm going, but I'll be there in time. Some days know what I want, some days it's hard to decide. But the journey gave me reason to rhyme. Fall 8 times. Please believe that there's 9 times I rise, cause the spirit is strong. Even if the way I said it, way I did it was wrong, I find peace cause in form I won't be here for long. I wanna live, I wanna love, I wanna give, I wanna shrug off the mistakes and be strong cause it takes that. And then some triumph, redemption are well rooted in failure. Hence why we shall all grow like azaleas. It's a gift. Whatever cards they deal ya, if you sing your song with your heart, they gon' feel ya. Nothing more precious or held in more reverence than walking your path and living in your lessons, right?
I've been trying to stay afloat. I've been falling every time I try to grow. I don't know.
Yeah.
I should keep it on the low, or if it's better trying to get up on my toes. I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side.
Alright, so this is my final look.
I just want to see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing. No. I've been trying to stay.
Thank you so much for joining me in this Get Ready With Me. Comment below your favorite ice cream flavor, like this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
I'm just trying to see the light that's on the other side of the tunnel. Yeah. I just want to see the prize, but when I open eyes, seeing nothing. No.